Okay, so you might recall I showed you the double dirty dills by the White Mountain Pickle Company. I have pickled the eggs in the mustard. Again, this is a 6-pack. I tried the mustard dill with eggs. These have been in here for 8 days. So now we are going to try the eggs. Okay. They smell eggy. I'll give you a look there. I mean, it smells good, but I'm a little nervous. Okay. I mean, it's got a beautiful mustard flavor. Oh, go for it. That's good. That is very good. Nice flavor. Really nice flavor. I'm actually going to go a little bit longer. I'm going to check them again in a week because I think these could actually go a little bit longer, but 8 days, very good. Beautiful color. Flavor is excellent. I was nervous for nothing. They're awesome. The White Mountain Pickle Company. This is a mustard dill, and I did eggs. They're awesome. Highly recommend.